What's up, y'all? My name is Percy Mescay, but people call me Josh. And I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag.
Don't let this intro fool you. The title of this video is definitely POV Integra something, something, something. And that's what we're gonna do. But before we can do that, we need to know where our gas is at and everything else, because we don't know that stuff right now. The homie David reached out to me on Facebook and sent me out an LS cluster so I can throw in the car. And if you're not caught up with the vlogs by now, I don't have my digital dash anymore because I am going aim dash. So I sold it, and I'm gonna use the funds from that dash to fund my aim dash. But until I get the aim dash, I need something to monitor my RPM speed and fuel and coolant and stuff like that. So that's where the homie David comes in. His Instagram is on the screen if you guys wanna go show him some love and tell him that you appreciate him helping out the channel, because he sure enough is. I sent him some merch in return for this, because it's just, I'm thankful, and you know, the least I can do for somebody to help me out is, you know, send them something. So I hope you enjoy the shirt, dog. Come here, baby girl. There. Oh. Yeah. My current setup is a GSR cluster. And the difference between the GSR and the LS's, this revs out to 8,000 and this revs out to 9,000. It's the only difference. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the only difference, right? Yeah, that is the only difference. Who giving me a phone call? My mom. So my issue with this cluster is it wasn't reading anything. Like, it just wasn't working at all. So hopefully this works. And if it does work, I'll just swap the green screen off this one and put it on that one, and then I should be golden. But let's see if this works. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is, but this one's not working either. Cruise control is like, I don't know what the hell is going on. Honestly, I thought I filmed more pulls in this POV, which I did not. So I'm kind of disappointed that this video might be boring. I'm sorry. It's a daily video, but I know next time, if I'm gonna do a POV video, I gotta make it at least do some pulls or something. I was just paranoid. My car isn't registered because I've been lazy and I haven't went to the DMV to register the damn thing. If this video sucked, I'm very sorry. I'm usually fond of my work, but I think this video yeah, and like, why put it up if it's trash? Somebody might enjoy it. Even though I think it's clapped, maybe, you know, 5 people might enjoy this type of video just to see how the car idles and drives. I don't know, but like, hey, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. I understand. And actually, nah, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.